With so many kitchen gadgets out there, it's hard to know which ones are truly useful and which will just take up space. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 20 best Amazon kitchen gadgets that are actually worth it. Designed to save time, simplify meal prep, and add convenience to your daily routine, these picks will upgrade your kitchen game. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below, and be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. This is a self-stirring coffee mug that mixes your drink with just the press of a button. Its built-in magnetic stirrer evenly blends coffee, tea, or hot chocolate in seconds. The stainless steel interior keeps drinks warm, while the spill-proof lid prevents messy spills. USB rechargeable and easy to clean with a removable base, it's the perfect gadget for home, office, or travel. A must-have for coffee lovers who want convenience and style. This is a roll-up dish drying rack that maximizes counter space while keeping your kitchen organized. Designed to fit over your sink, it provides a sturdy surface for drying dishes, rinsing produce, or cooling hot cookware. Made with rust-resistant stainless steel and BPA-free silicone, it's heat-proof up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher safe. The flexible design rolls up for easy storage, making it perfect for small kitchens or apartments. A space-saving essential for efficient and clutter-free meal prep. This is a fruit and vegetable purifier that removes harmful residues using only water. It effectively cleans produce, meat, tableware, and kitchen utensils, ensuring a safer, chemical-free food experience. Featuring a rechargeable battery, it offers wireless operation for up to 25 uses per charge. Its compact, waterproof design makes it easy to use and clean, perfect for home or travel. A must-have gadget for fresh, healthier ingredients with minimal effort. This is a 26-piece mixing bowl set designed for effortless prepping, serving, and storing. The airtight lids keep ingredients fresh and prevent spills, while the 3.5-quart bowl features a removable lid for mess-free blending. 3 interchangeable grater attachments allow you to slice or shred directly into the bowl. Non-slip silicone bottoms provide stability during mixing, and the nesting design saves space. Made from durable stainless steel and dishwasher safe, this set is a must-have for seamless meal prep and organization. This is a freezer block maker that creates perfectly portioned, stackable food blocks for easy storage. It holds up to 2 cups of leftovers, soup, or sauces in quart-sized storage bags, ensuring a mess-free filling with its vertical stand. The flexible silicone bands expand as food freezes, making removal effortless. Compact blocks maximize freezer space and promote faster, even defrosting. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, this tool is essential for organized meal prep and efficient food storage. This is a high-capacity trash can that offers a hands-free, touchless experience with motion sensor technology. The lid opens automatically, keeping your space hygienic and mess-free. Made from fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, it's easy to clean and designed to trap odors with its sealed lid. Its sleek, modern design blends seamlessly into any kitchen, bathroom, or office. Hygienic, efficient, and stylish, this smart trash can makes waste disposal effortless. This is an air fryer that delivers crispy, golden meals using rapid hot air circulation with little to no oil. Its spacious non-stick basket ensures even cooking, making it perfect for family meals. With intuitive controls, you can easily air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate a variety of foods. The high-temperature airflow locks in flavor and texture for delicious results. Plus, dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless, a must-have for quick, healthy, and hassle-free cooking. This is a sliding tray that makes accessing kitchen appliances effortless by smoothly gliding heavy machines forward and back. Ideal for coffee makers, blenders, and toasters, it helps save counter space while keeping appliances within easy reach. The non-slip base ensures stability, while its durable, high-quality material supports even heavier kitchen gadgets. Easy to clean and space-efficient, this tray is a must-have for small kitchens or anyone looking for a more organized countertop. This is a motion-activated under cabinet light that instantly brightens dark spaces and shuts off after 20 seconds of no movement. With 5 adjustable brightness levels, it provides the ideal lighting for cooking, reading, or navigating at night. The built-in magnetic back allows for effortless installation on metal surfaces, while the USB-C rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting use. Perfect for kitchens, closets, hallways, or stairways, this sleek and wireless light enhances convenience and style. This is a couch console designed to keep your drinks, snacks, and essentials within reach while you relax. Its self-balancing cup holder ensures stability, even on uneven surfaces, while customizable compartments let you organize remotes, phones, and more. A built-in USB-C port allows for easy device charging, making it perfect for long movie nights. With a sleek and durable design, it's an ideal companion for living rooms, RVs, or cars, keeping everything organized and spill-free. This is a stand mixer designed for effortless baking with a powerful motor and hands-free operation. Its large stainless steel bowl and planetary mixing action ensures smooth, even blending of ingredients. The tilt head design allows easy access for adding ingredients, while the power hub supports over 15 attachments for making pasta, grinding meat, and more. Built for durability and available in stylish colors, it's the perfect kitchen companion for home bakers and professionals alike. This is a glass pickle jar with a built-in strainer that separates pickles from brine with a simple flip. No more messy hands, just flip, grab, and enjoy. The airtight silicone-sealed lid keeps contents fresh, while the non-slip base provides stability. Made from durable, lead-free borosilicate glass, it's safe for refrigerators and dishwashers. Ideal for storing olives, jalapenos, fruits, and vegetables, this jar is a must-have for pickle lovers and kitchen organization. This is an automatic electric can opener that opens cans effortlessly with a simple press of a button. Designed for hands-free operation, it smoothly cuts along the side, leaving safe, smooth edges without sharp lids. Battery-operated and easy to use, it's perfect for seniors or anyone with limited hand strength. Its compact, ergonomic design makes meal prep effortless. A must-have kitchen gadget for convenience and efficiency. This is a folding steamer basket that expands to fit different pots and pans, making vegetables steaming effortless. Its self-adjusting sides provide a large steaming surface, while the collapsible design allows for easy storage. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant materials, it's safe for non-stick cookware and dishwasher-friendly. The built-in fork hook ensures safe and easy lifting. Perfect for healthy cooking, this steamer simplifies meal prep while saving space in your kitchen. This is a folding digital kitchen scale designed for precise food measurements in a compact, portable form. Its LCD display ensures easy reading, while the one-touch tare function subtracts container weight for accuracy. With 5 measurement units, it's perfect for weighing ingredients, coffee, or portion sizes. The automatic shutoff feature extends battery life, and its foldable design allows for easy storage in drawers or travel bags. Ideal for kitchens, meal prep, or on-the-go use. This is a professional electric knife sharpener with a 3-stage sharpening system for precise razor-sharp edges. The adjustable blade thickness selector ensures the perfect angle for various knives, from chef's knives to fillet blades. Its extra-fine ceramic wheel hones edges with precision, while built-in blade guides eliminate guesswork. Designed for kitchen and sport knives, it delivers professional results at home with effortless operation. A must-have tool for maintaining sharp, efficient cutting performance. This is an under-cabinet jar opener designed to effortlessly open any jar or bottle with minimal effort. Its sharp dual carbon steel teeth grip lids securely, making it ideal for those with weak hands or arthritis. Mounted discreetly under cabinets, it saves space and is always ready for use. Unlike handheld or bulky robotic openers, this durable USA-made design has been trusted for over 40 years. A must-have kitchen essential for hassle-free lid opening. This is a multifunctional garlic press that peels, slices, dices, and grates garlic effortlessly. It includes a silicone peeler and 2 interchangeable stainless steel blades, one for dicing and one for slicing. The clear container collects garlic and features raised teeth for making a fine paste. Its compact design includes built-in storage for the extra blade and peeler. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, this tool keeps hands odor-free while simplifying food prep. This is a 2-in-1 collapsible whisk that transforms from a flat whisk for blending to a balloon whisk for whipping. Its silicone-coated steel wires are heat-resistant and safe for non-stick cookware, making it perfect for sauces, batters, and eggs. The unique twist design allows it to fold flat for easy storage, saving space in your kitchen. Dishwasher safe and durable, this versatile whisk is a must-have for effortless cooking and baking. This is a smart wireless meat thermometer that lets you monitor cooking temperatures with precision via Bluetooth. Featuring dual sensors, it tracks both internal meat temperature and ambient heat for perfect results. The guided cook system in the free app provides real-time alerts and estimates cooking times, With a 165-foot range and a bamboo charging block, it's ideal for grilling, roasting, and smoking. Water-resistant and dishwasher-safe, this thermometer makes cooking effortless and precise. This is a digital kitchen timer with an RGB color-changing display, designed for cooking, studying, and workouts. The extra-large screen offers 10-hour countdown and stopwatch functions, with adjustable brightness and power-saving mode. It features 3 volume levels, a silent vibration mode, and a built-in rechargeable battery with Type-C charging. With strong magnets, a stand, and a hanging hook, it's perfect for kitchens, classrooms, and offices, ensuring precise and customizable time management.